Hello everyone, so let's start part 2 of The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, page number 12, last 2 lines. Already you know that both have taken the ride and they have enjoyed a lot. So let's start part 2 from page number 3, last 2 lines. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. As I have told you that actually he was not singing, he was roaring. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country where at least according to some of our neighbor we belonged, we let the horse run as long as it felt like running. Yes, obviously, in our neighborhood, means wherever they have taken ride, they make the horse to run till when the horse wanted to run. जब तक horse दौड़ना चाहता था, तब तक उसे दौड़ाया. At last, my cousin Murad said, "Get down, I want to ride alone." After some time, Murad now said to Aram that now you just get down from the horse. I wanted to take ride alone. Will you let me ride alone? Can you please let me to ride alone on the horse? Asked by Aram. Aram was also asked that कि भाई तुम मुझे भी राइड करने दोगे अकेले? That is up to the horse. My cousin said get down. That is up to the horse. If horse will allow you, then you can take ride. Just now you just get down. The horse will let me ride, I said. And what Aram said? Aram said that obviously horse let me ride alone. I will ride with horse because I am kind to horse. That's why he will allow me. We shall see. Let us see afterward. He said, don't forget that I have a way with a horse. Don't forget that I have a way. I am having a way to ride the horse. Well, I said, any way you have with a horse, I have also. If you are knowing how to ride a horse, then I also know how to behave with the horse. For the sake of your safety, he said, let us hope so. Get down just now. You just get down in this time. Afterward, just look for it. Let me ride alone right now. Alright, I said, but remember you have got to let me try to ride alone. But don't forget to give me this horse for ride alone. I also wanted to take ride alone, said by Aram. I got down. Finally, Aram got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted. He has kicked the heel to the horse and horse finally shouted and he started running. Snorted. Snorted means the voice of the horse. Burst into, and finally Vezir run. Vezir means horse run. The horse stood on its hind leg. Hind leg means backside two leg. He finally just stood up on the back legs as you can see into the picture and burst into fury of speed. That was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. As the horse started running, and this is the beautiful thing the Aram has ever seen. My cousin Murad dashed the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch. Finally, he was choosing the way to the irrigation ditch. Crossed the ditch on the horse. Finally, he had crossed the ditch. Ditch means one kind of, we can say that the place where they can just collect the water for irrigation. So crossed the ditch on the horse and 5 minutes later returned dripping back. When he was coming back after 5 minutes, he was literally getting wet as he was choosing the way of irrigation and there was a water, and that's why as you can see water running, horse running at that time, water just sped on the Murad. The sun was coming up. Finally the sun was coming up, the day was there and now it's time to ride. And Aram said that now it's my turn to ride alone on the horse. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Murad got off the horse and said, right. He said, Murad said that, okay Aram, now it's your turn. You just can ride alone. I lifted to the back of the horse. Finally, he just moved up to the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. It was imaginable thing. He was having dream and finally he was rode alone. And the horse did not move. But at the very first, horse was not moving. Kicked into the muscle. Finally, he has kicked into the muscle of the horse. And my cousin Murad said, what are you waiting for? Why are you not moving? As you are telling that you know how to ride, just move. And then we have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. So he said that here we are having our world, here we are having our dream. You can move. Don't think about anyone. What are you waiting for? Just start to ride. I kicked finally into the I kicked into the muscle of the horse. Once again it reared and snorted. Afterwards, second time when he kicked, the finally horse snorted making sound, and that it began to run. Finally he started run. I didn't know what to do, and he was not knowing that how to control the horse. Instead of running across the field to irrigation ditch, as he thought that the horse will move on the same way, irrigation ditch, but now horse have chosen the another way. And he ran down the road to vineyard of Dikran Halapian, where it began to leap over vines. Okay, vineyard means अंगूर के बाग, जहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि क्रीपर्स जो है वहाँ पे लगे हुए होते हैं, उनके जो हम प्लांट्स कहते हैं. Where the horse started to run and he mashed up. The horse lived over 7 vines before I fell. He already mashed up the 7 vine plants, and then it continued running. And the author means the Aram was just fell down from the horse at that time, but horse was running. My cousin Murad came running down the road. The cousin came down to the road where the author means Aram was getting down from the horse. I am not worried about you, he shouted. Murad said that I am not worried about you whether you are falling off from the horse, but I am worrying about the white horse. We have got to get that horse, and finally we have to find that horse. You go this way, you just go this way, I am going this way. Both started to search for horse. If you can come upon him, finally, if Murad informed that if you got horse first, then be kind to him. I will be there within some second. अगर तुम्हें घोड़ा पहले मिलता है तो उससे kindly behave करना. मैं कुछ ही time में वहाँ पे आ जाऊँगा just because I am near to you. I continued down the road and my cousin both have started to search the horse. Murad went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. Murad have chosen the way of irrigation ditch to find the white horse, and afterward it took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. After half an hour he just got the horse back and he bring him back to the house. Alright, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. What will we do? I say. Again Murad wanted to take ride, but now Aram asked question. What will we do with this? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are going to do? Well, he said we will either take him back and hide him until tomorrow morning. हम उसको वापस ले जाएंगे and we will hide him until tomorrow morning. And he didn't sound worried. I knew he had hide him and not take him back. Yes, obviously I know that Murad was not sold him. He was hiding him until morning. Not for a while at any rate. Obviously not for a while. It's not just now. We will have to give this horse back to his owner. We will take this horse to our yard and we will put him there. Where will we hide him? Where we can hide him? Asked by Aram. I know a place, he said. Murad said, I know the place, you just come with me. How long ago did you steal this horse? Aram asked, how did you long this horse stealing? When you have steal this? It was how many days? And after that he said that it suddenly dawned on. Here you can say dawned on means occur. Dawned on means occur. Something happened. What? That it had been taking these early morning rides for some time. Yes, obviously morning I have taken, and had it come for me this morning, and this morning this horse will come to me. Only because he knew how much I longed to ride, and whatever we have taken ride, till that time I am having the horse. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said means Murad asked, who said that I have steal that horse? Who said to you? Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Since how many days you have taken the ride from this white horse? Just tell me true. Not until this morning. He said, this morning I have gone. I am telling truth. Are you telling the truth? I said. Aram asked, you are lying. Are you telling truth? क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? आज सुबह ही तुम्हें मिला है? Of course not, he said. Of course not. I am not telling truth. But if we are found out, but if someone found us with the white horse, you will have to say the same thing, that we are being with the horse since morning only. That's what you are not to say. And बाकी की कोई चीज़ आपको नहीं बतानी. I don't want both of us to be liars. We don't have to make ourselves liar, as our tribe was known as the honesty. All you know is that we started riding this morning, and as you know that from morning we have started riding. Alright, I said, Aram said, all right, I will say the same, whatever you informed me. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of the deserted vineyard, which at one time had been pride of farmer named Fatwajian. Fatwajian was the person who was having his farm priorly into ancient time, and they have taken the horse there. Bard. Bard means a place where you can keep the animals. And there were some oats and dry alfalfa. Alfalfa is one kind of plant in the barn. So horse can easily eat that. We began walking home. After putting the horse over there into the barn, they both started to moving to the house. It wasn't easy. It was not easy to hide the horse over there. He said to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first I wanted to run wild, but I have told you I have a way with a horse. I can get it to want to do anything I want it to do. Horses understand. As I have told you that horses understand me. I want this horse and I want to ride with this horse. So horses are doing only that thing that what I wanted to make him to do, because horses understand my language. How do you do it? Aram asked. How can you manage the horse? How do you know that? I have an understanding with the horse, he said. I am having mutual understanding with the horse. Yes, but what sort of understanding? But which kind of understanding you are having with the horse? Asked by Aram. A simple and honest one, he said. That's it, simple and honest one. I am kind to a horse and horse will kind to me. Well, I said I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with the horse. I know the way. Even I will be too much understanding with the horse. You can see within few days. I went home and ate hearty breakfast. At that time both were having hungerness, and at that time they both were having breakfast. That afternoon my uncle Khosrow came to our house for coffee and cigarettes. At that day Uncle Khosrow was coming there for cigarettes and coffee. He sat in the parlor. Parlor means into the drawing room. He sat down, sipping and smoking. He was taking tea as well as at the same time he was smoking too. And remembering the old country. He was remembering the old country. Then another visitor arrived. Another guest arrived to our home at that time. A farmer named John Byro. The name of the person was the guest who was there, and the guest name was John Byro. An Assyrian who. Assyrian means the country name, who was Assyrian. Who out of loneliness, just because in that country Armenia he was alone, and that's why he learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee. My mother brought coffee and tobacco for the guest. And he rolled the cigarette and sipped and smoked. So finally he also took the cigarette and he started smoking. Then at last, sighing sadly, he was very sad. He said, my white horse which was stolen last month is still gone. Since last month I have lost my white horse. I cannot understand it. I cannot understand who has taken that white horse. My uncle Khosrow became very irritated. Obviously he was irritated person, and that's why he became irritated and shouted. It's no harm. The same answer as I told you, only one answer he has given, whether any matter is there. What is the loss of a horse? So lot of a horse is, haven't we lost all the lost homeland as we have lost the homeland also. हमारी जन्मभूमि भी हमारे हाथ में नहीं रही है. Then why you are crying about the white horse? What is this crying over a horse? Horse के लिए क्यों रो रहे हो? That's maybe all right for you, a city dweller, to say. City dweller means John Byro said that this is the easy thing for you, but I love that white horse and I am having vehicle through which I can run with the horse. And John Byro said, but what of my Surrey? Here you can see Surrey. Surrey is a light four-wheeled carriage, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं घोड़ा गाड़ी. What good is a Surrey without a horse? Without horse, I can't run the Surrey. Pay no attention to it. My uncle Khosrow roared. Pay no attention to it. उस पे ध्यान मत दो. He shouted. I walked 10 miles to get here. John Byro said. मैं आपको मिलने यहाँ पे आया हूँ. The distance I have cut down is 10 miles. You have legs. My uncle Khosrow said. You have your legs. and you can by your legs. So why are you telling me that 10 miles you have passed to come with me? My left leg pains me, the farmer said. Farmer said that I have walked a lot and my pains are now getting pain. My legs are paining now, and pay no attention to it, my Uncle Khosrow roared. Pay no attention to it. The same answer he has given. That horse cost me $60, the farmer said. It was of $60. I have bought that horse by $60. I speak on money, my Uncle Khosrow said. मैं तो वो ऐसे पैसों को थूकता हूँ. Why I should take care of your horse? That was of your horse. He got up and stalked out of the house and slamming the screen door. He was just out of, and at the time the guest was just run out of the house. This is the part 2. The part 3 I will send you soon. Okay, so you just wait for part 3, and in the part 3 we will end up this chapter. If you are having any query, you can ask me